Hey everyone, I hope that everybody's having a fantastic day. And today is the birthday messages for October 23rd, 2025. So if you were born on October 23rd, I am so excited to bring you your birthday message. We are going to pull a card from the Star Temple Oracle for your birthday today. And I just want to wish everybody a happy birthday. And I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing day so far. And I hope that it gets better. So, with no further interruptions, we're going to go ahead and give these cards a shuffle, clear the energy, and ask Spirit for a message for all of those people born on October 23rd. So, what special message do you have for our October 23rd birthday people? Thank you, Spirit. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for subscribing and liking the video. If you are enjoying these videos, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also consider subscribing to the channel. Once I get to 50 subscribers, I will be able to go live and bring these messages to you live, be able to answer questions, and hopefully do some readings for the collective as well. All right, so let's see, what message do we have? It is the Jade Star. Surrender. I am ready to let go with self-compassion. And it is card number 23. Now, how special is that? I am so excited for you guys. All right, let's go ahead and find out exactly what this card, what message the book has about card number 23 on October 23rd. And so I can't see any card being more fitting for you than card number 23 for your birthday on October 23rd. Okay, so the Jade Star represents the union of the heart chakra and the Imperial Jade Jewel. This energetic vortex and crystal alliance is a match made in heaven. Oh, I love that. It is where love in all its glistening facets is felt most deeply. Jade is a precious stone that amplifies unconditional love, empathy, and opulence. The psychic sense associated with the heart is clairsentience, clear psychic feeling. Through intentional surrender, feeling, and the power of love, deep healing is made possible. Celeano helps you connect to your heart unity through the energetic portal of love. So this huge jade crystal in the middle of her back is very interesting because your heart chakra is green, I believe. And it is located like where the heart would be if it weren't on her back. So so interesting. I love how it says surrender. So maybe you've been feeling like you need to maybe let go with some self-compassion, let go of some things that maybe you've been holding on to that aren't serving your purpose going into the future. That was the train that just went by. And if you look through my back window back there, that's the ocean. I'm in San Clemente, California today, and just thought I'd stop by, stepped out of the car for a moment just to smell the air, and it was just absolutely wonderful. So if you have the ability to go near water today, and today is your birthday, please do so. Water is so energy clearing. And because I mentioned that, and it was 4:44 on the timer at the moment, I really think that this message is meant for somebody to go release anything that you've been holding on to that is now not serving your future. And you can release that in the water. You can also do that in the shower. I mean, it's just about really setting the intention with the water um, basically running on you or getting into the water to help wash all of that away. Another way to cleanse your energy is through Reiki healing. And if you are interested in that, please contact me directly. I would be happy to set up a energy healing with you. It's something that is very passionate to, it's very important to my heart. I have always felt since I was a child that um, that we have the ability to heal ourselves and through energy, and not even touching, but just the flow of the energy from the universe through a person into another person. So I really do believe in that. And if that is something that you are interested in, please reach out to me. I would be happy to help you, teach you more about it, help you understand it a little bit better, and how it might benefit you. So each reading and energy healing is very unique to the person, very individualized. So if you have questions, please reach out. And okay, so we are also going to actually, I want to talk to you a little bit about essential oils. And this has just been something that's really been on my heart recently to share with the collective. Sometimes I get stomach aches, and I know that there's a lot of people out there that are probably having the same issue. I found a blend of essential oils that takes away almost every tummy ache you could imagine. Um, and I mean, it takes it away within a matter of minutes. And I have been wanting to share this with people for a long time, and I don't know why I'm hoarding it. So here I am, going to talk to you a little bit about it. It's actually a blend of oils that Young Living makes, and I'm not necessarily promoting Young Living, but the recipe for that bottle of oils that they do, it's called Digize, Digize, and it is a blend of essential oils, and they are a miracle blend. I am not kidding you. Um, I have probably gone through 3 bottles, but those tiny little bottles actually have lasted me probably a year, each one of them. They come in different sizes, and if you'd like the recipe, the blend of oils that's in that bottle, I would be glad to share that with you. So just send me a DM, and I will definitely get that information over to you. Um, it is so amazing, though. And another thing that I really wanted to share with everybody, I just mentioned it to a couple of my friends that I was at an event with just a few minutes ago. And I don't know if you know this, but lavender essential oil applied to any burn, I mean, as long as it's not like a really bad burn, like a 3rd-degree burn or something, you can put just straight lavender essential oil on any burn. So say you touch the oven, you got a really bad burn on the tip of your finger, it's killing you. You know, those little ones are like the kind of the worst sometimes, and you don't know what to do because it's just bothering you and you keep bumping it or whatever. So I'm telling you, the minute that you get burned, go find the lavender essential oil. Put that essential oil directly on that burn. You're probably going to want to apply it again, maybe like another 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, because I do find that if it's still bothering you, just apply it again. And usually the second application, I haven't needed another one. So what it does, and I don't know how, but it really prevents a blister from forming, which is usually what the next painful process part of the burn process is that the blister, and then you risk infection if it pops, and all these other things that you just don't even want to deal with. So if you can get the lavender oil on there right away, it almost forms like a callus instead of a blister. So and it will literally take like probably a couple of months before that little bit of burned piece will actually just like peel off like a little piece of dead skin once it heals from underneath. But the most amazing process ever. And not to mention the fact that it takes all of the pain away. And with that being said, it's also great for sunburns. So I definitely recommend putting it with some, like maybe like a witch hazel, mix it with witch hazel a little bit, and or a lotion. But sometimes lotions can counteract a sunburn and like lock in the heat. So it's probably better to maybe use something like a witch hazel. Always test the area before you start spraying it everywhere or applying it. But do a little test section, make sure it's not going to cause your skin any issues. But usually lavender oil is the best for your skin. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Shamanic Medicine Oracle deck. We are going to pull a message for the collective. So this is for anyone that finds this special message today. And for all those people born on October 23rd. This is a very special message for you. Man, it is such a beautiful day at the beach. It's like 73 degrees outside, and it's sunny and warm, and the like minor breeze, so it's not even like chilly, and it's gorgeous. So, all right. Thank you so much for being here. I just want to tell you guys all thank you again. And if you haven't hit the like button, please consider doing so. Consider subscribing to the channel if this is something that you like. And I am really looking forward to connecting with all of you. So once we get to 50 subscribers, we can actually go live, and I will try to bring you some very special messages, individual messages, if we can go live. So looking forward to that. All right, let's see. What message does Spirit have for the collective today? I think it's this one. Plant medicine. Truth. So, let's see what plant medicine has to say. All right, so plant medicine. Oh my God, I opened like right to it. That's remarkable. I love Spirit. When they give me messages, it's so wild how everything just falls into place. All right, so a controversy means you are not sure what to deem as truth. It's like you have been fed false news. Shamans use plant medicine in journeying work to induce visions and heighten clarity. Plant medicine is a far cry from the synthetic pills and potions abundant today. When plant medicine is passed to you, you have the option to accept or reject its remedy. Do you want your life to remain as it is? Are you ready to see the truth? To distinguish between the dream state and clear reality, indulge in the awakening that plant medicine can bring. If you are brave, want adventure, are prepared to lose false comfort, plant medicine can bring you a stark understanding of who you are. The veil between worlds is ready to be torn down so that you might discover that which has been deliberately hidden. Choose wisely, for plant medicine will lead you to the path of truth, from which there is no return. So you do want to make sure that you're ready for that trip. Other divinatory meanings. Fully investigate a matter before making an agreement. It's time to leave an unhealthy situation. Check in with, and trust your intuition. Someone is hiding something from you. Admit the truth before someone else reveals it. Live your truth. Shamans have been using plant medicine for thousands of years. Plants are gifts from the gods left on earth to teach and heal us. We can work with plant medicine for healing, vision work, and to find balance and harmony between ourselves and the planet. The use of plant medicine predates written human history. Archaeological evidence indicates humans were using herbs 60,000 years ago. That seems so crazy. Well, actually, it doesn't. I mean, what else were they going to use? It's not like they have pharmacies, so, or people making pills. So, here's a little poem. Plant medicine speaks. Awaken as I take you deep. My truth reveals you've been asleep. You'll see the world with bright new eyes. Assist those who still live the lies. I gotta say, that's why I'm here for you. This is amazing. This has been a really amazing message. I hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to you. And I just want to thank the spirits in the universe for bringing me here to you and bringing you here to this message. And if you would like to connect, I would love to connect with you. I am really interested in getting a small group of people together to go to El Salvador. I have the ability, I have found this beautiful home that is available and has plenty of room for a small group to join us. We'll be doing Reiki healing. We'll have meditations. We will do not so much like diet health, but like we'll have like discussions around health, vitamins, nutrition, and it's more like a health coaching. Yeah, health coach and discussion, and we'll also do some yoga, have a fireside. We'll have an excursion to the beach. You'll also have free time where you can go and do things that you'd like to do. And all of the meals are available at the home. So we'll have breakfast and lunch and dinner available. Everything's included except for your flight. So you'll just need to secure a flight. And I'd really like to I really love to go in February. So if you are watching this and you are being called to this spiritual awakening, this awesome trip to a fabulous warm destination in the middle of winter, please reach out to me. Let's get this together. Let's get this done, and let's get it booked right away. All right. I would love to connect with you personally, so subscribe to the channel. If you have questions about Reiki, energy healing, or a trip to El Salvador, please direct message me, get a hold of me. I'm on Instagram, Coach Zen Jen 108, and my channel here on YouTube is Coach Zen Jen 108. You can also email me at coachzenjen108@gmail.com. And I'm really looking forward to connecting with you directly. And I hope that you have a fabulous day. And if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you so much. Thanks for being here, and have a blessed rest of your day.